Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. So if you know you want to do online tuitions, you can WhatsApp that WhatsApp number 0979 22 20 76. You can WhatsApp that number and our team will get a hold of you. Let's go straight to the subject for today and the lesson for today. We are going to look at a past paper. So if you know you're a parent, you want your child to do online tuitions, you can contact us. We teach grade 1s, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, even up to grade 12. But right now, what we are centering on today is things for primary level. Okay, so this is a grade 7 past paper. As you can see, it is CTS, Creative and Technology Studies. Okay, question 1. A colander is a kitchen utensil used for. What is a colander used for? As you can see, sometimes when you go and buy spaghetti with mom at the market, after you buy spaghetti in a shop, rather, when you go in a shop, you buy spaghetti, you put it in a colander. A colander is that it looks like a safer of some kind where you put things and it drains whatever you put inside. So in a colander, you can put vegetables. After you wash the vegetables, you can put them in colander so that the water comes out. It has got hose where water comes out. So it is used for draining. So the answer is A. The answer is A. 32. The stitch shown on the pic, or the stitch shown on the piece of cloth is, look at this stitch, it is a temporal one. It is D, a temporal stitch. And then the next thing is, the next question in 32 is, a business person can challenge competitors by. A business person is someone who does business, whatever business it is you are doing. It can be you are doing business at the market, in town. But how do you challenge your competitors, those ones who are competing with you? A, changing the place of selling? No. B, improving the products being sold? No. C, fighting with the competitors? D, reducing the prices of the products. Okay, so the best answer here is B, improving the products being sold. When you're a businessman, you're supposed to improve the products that you are selling. So it is actually B. That too, it is actually B. Okay, so you write these questions. Which foods are not suitable for people living with HIV and AIDS? A, more fat foods. B, low fat foods. C, food with less sugar. D, diet high in protein. So more fat foods. So once food has got a lot of fat, you should avoid it. A person with HIV should not eat a lot of food with fats. Actually, it's not good for everyone. 34. A is 33 is A. 34. The best way of cleaning a wound is to use dash. When you are playing and then you injure yourself, you have got a wound. The best way is you always use boiled water. A. Use boiled water. Use boiled water. A. You don't use cold water. You don't use frozen water or hot water. You use boiled, because after you have injured yourself, you have got a sore. You use boiled water. 34. Which is the common raising factor used for making fritters? When you're making fritters, what do you use? If you're in the kitchen with mom and dad, you're trying to make scones, you're trying to make fritters, what do you use? You always use baking powder. You don't use air. A, it says air. B, it says baking powder. C, bicarbonate of soda, yeast. Whenever you're trying to make fritters, you always use baking powder. B. Okay, and then 36, as you can see here, is not properly written, so go to the next page. 36, this 36 is on the next page. It is on the next page. Let me go back here. Is 36 written here? Okay, 36 is written there. Okay, 36. It's actually there, 36. The dash provides artificial ventilation. The door, the fan, the vents. A, it says door. B, fan. C, vent. D, window. So the answer here is what? Artificial ventilation. The answer for 36 is actually what? If you look at 36, you see it, number 36. The answer for number 36 is actually B. Answer for number 36 is actually B. Okay? Artificial ventilation, meaning a ventilation that is artificial. Natural ventilation, when you open the door, the air enters naturally. Same with vents and windows, the air enters naturally. But when you're using a fan, it is artificial. Okay? Okay. Let's go back to our questions. Now we're going now on 37. 37. Which of the following is a correct order of menstruation? Menstruation, it starts from ovulation to menstruation itself. So the answer is A for 37. 37, it is actually A. So menstruation, ovulation is just from menstruation to menstruation is from ovulation to menstruation. 38. Dash is the fastest way. Dash is one of the fastest way of preparing food by roasting it. See, when you are roasting food, if you are boiling food, it will take long to cook. But if you are frying, it also take long to cook rather. And then the steaming is also going to take too long. But the fast way of just cooking food, the fastest method of preparing food is by roasting it. Okay, 39. 39 says, from the list below, which one is a decorative stitch? It is the chain, B. Okay, these are different types of stitches. So the chain stitch, it looks like a chain. When you look at it, it looks very nice. So it is decorative. It is chain. Okay. 40. When a person has got a low body weight, that is 40 now, number 40. A low body weight and a dry skin is a deficiency of what? Carbohydrates. A. You see, when you are very slim, you have got less weight in you are not so fat, you are very slim, you are too thin, and your skin is not well. It means you don't have enough carbohydrates in your body. Okay. The character shown on the picture below is aligned on what? It is on the center. Have you seen this character here? This one. It's on the center. So it means answer here, it's A. You see, it is located on the center there. So it's A. It's on the center. That thing on the screen there. Okay. And then 42 says, the key mark Y on the calculator below is used for what? This one. It's an equal sign, this one. You can see it here, the equal sign there. What is it used for? To find the results. You see? Adding numbers, no. It's not for adding. Calculating percentages, no. Finding results. It is C, the answer here. The answer is C. Okay? Equal sign is used to find answers. When you press equal sign, the answer will be found. So the answer is C here. 43. The acronym WW on internet stands for World Wide Web. Answer is B. Okay. Thank you for listening. This is FM Tuition Academy. FM Tuition Academy. You can communicate with us on or WhatsApp us on 0979 22 20 76. For further information, you want to do online tuitions with us.